Hey, it's Jeremiah with Mobility 316. I'm going to do a quick little short video of a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. 34-inch manual ramp, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. We've got our flip base seating in here. In a matter of seconds, you can have the seats flipped up out of the way. Got our brand new Q-shrink tie downs here. Got the deep cut to hold 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Carfax shows the 1 owner, no accidents or damage, clean title. Got our backup camera there, got leather seats. Equipped with dual climate control remote start, just 39,864 miles. Real nice looking van. We just put 4 brand new tires on this van as well. To see our entire inventory, www.mobility316.com. If you want to see the extended video of this vehicle, put in stock number 9141 here in the search bar. You can click play video to see the super extended video, free shipping, free Carfax reports, no hidden fees. Check us out. Save $5,000 to $10,000 or more from the competition.